So would you like to sell into the Facebook Marketplace? For beginners, this is a really easy section of how we can get started. The very first thing I wanted to do is to have an Facebook Marketplace section. So if I open a new tab and go for Facebook Marketplace, as you can see, we now have access. Everybody have access to the Facebook Marketplace here and to buy and sell items locally or shipped. The best thing here is that you don't have to do a lot of elements. What you can do is to focus on adding your listing your products. So if I have one product into Shopify, into Etsy, into Walmart, or I have nothing here, the Facebook Marketplace can be helping me to sell a product without having to create a store. So to get started here, I focused into this upper side that says Marketplace. If you don't see this Marketplace, you can always go into the account here, go for settings and privacy, and here into settings you want to make sure they have activated the Facebook Marketplace, and I do have enabled this at the moment. So as you can see, this actually works for me. If you don't, you have to enable this, and you might need not to have any restrictions there. To make this much more faster, what you can do is to use an actual mobile, but in this case I'm going to be using a computer. Now here, as you can see into the marketplace, I can browse a lot of elements and get started and buy elements, of course, here into your listing. So if I select here search marketplace, I can look out for, let's say, rocking on lenses, and I have a lot of products that I can buy here. Now if I wanted to focus and sell my own product, let's go here and to create new listing. Now here's going to be asking us an item for sale, if this is a vehicle or if this is a home for sale or rent. Yes, you can always do home for sale as well. In this case, I wanted to focus into item for sale because I wanted to be into the right category so I can find people, a lot of people can find what I'm actually trying to list in here. So now here I have my listing preview and I can add my photos. Inside here, what I want to be doing here is to add my own products. So in this case, I have this product that I have just added directly from Shopify. So this product, I wanted to advertise it directly into the Facebook Marketplace. So if I select the right images, try to look out for really HD images that can be helping you to understand how it actually looks your product. The more realistic, the better. Now here I'm going to go for downloads and I select my product. So here it is, and I have 1, 2, 3. We can add up to 10 photos only. So make sure that you have the right images and the best images that you can upload for your Facebook Marketplace. So I got add a new photo, which in this case here it is, and there we go. So this is going to be my first page, this is going to be the second, and this is going to be the third and the fourth. Now here I have the title, the price, the category, the condition, more details than boosting listing after published. Now in this case, what I can totally recommend you is to choose the country you're currently living. In this case, here is the title. I can of course use the same information that I do have in here and paste it directly into my marketplace. The price of this product, I'm going to go for review. Now inside category, I'm going to choose clothing and accessories. Let's go for men's clothing and shoes. And the condition, let's go for new. Code style, fit, branding, description, that's totally up to you. Once you have added all of this information, what you can do is to add product text that can be helping you to find, to get listed more and more faster. So in this case, I have the t-shirt. I can add words in Spanish that are related into what I'm actually selling. Now the SKU is only depending on if you have an SKU. In this case, we don't have one. Lastly, if you're able to meet at a public location, you can enable this. If you buyers pick up at the door or you drop off a buyer's door. Now where do you want to list your product? You can list your product directly here into the marketplace. So I enable this. Now if you want to list into more places, for example into a group, we can join, for example, here into Mexico City, into sellings and all of stuff. You can just select all of these elements and do it. So in this case, I am not going to do this at the moment, so I'm going to go and only focus into publish. Once I have successfully done this product, this element, this product should be listed in no time. Now as you can see here appears my actual listing, so I can select this product and go for view the actual listing so I can see what people are actually going to be checking out. So as you can see here are my images and everything looks correctly and great. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can actually do this process directly here inside your actual section So as you can see, what we can do is to boost the listing to reach more buyers. It's totally depending on how would you like to get started, but basically this is how we can actually do this process in a very easy way. So promotions, of course, are needed to have a little bit of budget in order to reach more audience, but that's really depending on your budgeting and all of that. So thank you guys for watching this video. You now know how to do this in a very easy way using Facebook Marketplace. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.